Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today we're diving into the world of Emmet, a suite of powerful shortcuts that enhances the workflow efficiency. Mastering Emmet not only saves time but also streamlines the development process, allowing to focus more on creativity and problem solving. In this tutorial, we'll delve into 10 essential Emmet shortcuts that every developer should know. Let's get right into it. The first one is HTML Boilerplate. Emmet simplifies the process of creating an HTML boilerplate code. Simply type an exclamation mark and then press Tab to insert the basic structure. This shortcut eliminates the process of manually writing repetitive HTML code. The second one is child nesting operator. The child nesting operator in Emmet allows for easy nesting of elements within each other. For instance, div, child nesting operator, 2L, child nesting operator li, then press Tab. It will be expanded into that structure with div and unordered list inside the div element. The next one is sibling nesting operator. To place elements adjacent to each other on the same level, Emmet provides the sibling nesting operator. If we type h2 plus p, it will be expanded into two adjacent elements, h2 and paragraph tag. The next one is climb up nesting operator. The climb up operator facilitates moving up one level in nesting. For example, h2 with strong tag inside, and we do climb up to place a button tag next to h2 tag. Press Tab and it will be expanded into h2 with strong tag inside and our button next to heading 2 element. The next one is text insertion. You can use curly braces in Emmet for easy insertion of text within elements. For example, h2 with heading inside curly braces, it will be expanded into heading 2 element with heading text inside it. Moreover, even HTML elements can be nested within text content. For example, we have a p tag with text, click, space, and then put the sibling nesting operator to place an a tag with here text, and then text to continue. Press Tab, and it will be expanded into click text, link with text here, and then text to continue. The next one is classes and IDs. Emmet simplifies the creation of classes and IDs in HTML. For example, div.class generates div with class that equals class, while div#id generates div with ID that equals ID. You can combine classes with IDs, and if you type div#id.class, it will generate a div element with ID and class at the same time. The next one is multiplication. Using the multiplication operator, you can generate multiple elements effortlessly. For example, we have an unordered list, and we need to place 5 list elements inside. Press Tab, and it will be expanded into the list with 5 li elements inside. The next one is item numbering. You can combine multiplication with item numbering for numbered elements. Let's write unordered list element with li element with text item following with a $sign multiplied by 5. Press Tab and it will be expanded into 5 li elements numbered with the text inside. You can also use item numbering in classes, IDs, data attributes as well. The next one is CSS abbreviations. Emmet's power extends to CSS, which is my favorite part of this tutorial, offering shortcuts for various properties. Let's create an index CSS file. For example, if you type m, we see the suggestion that it could be expanded into margin property. P also expands to padding. D could be expanded into display block. C to color. And there are many other shortcuts. You can combine them with values. For example, M0 can be expanded into margin 0, as well as P0 to padding 0. You can combine CSS properties using Sibling operator. For example, we can type def, which is a display flex, plus AIC, plus JCC, and it will be expanded into 3 common flex properties in CSS. Here's one more example. We can type pose A, which is a position absolute, plus T0, plus left 0, plus right 0, plus bottom 0, and width 100% and height 100%. Press tab. As you can see, 100p is expanded into 100%, as well as the height value. The same works with M and RAM units. For example, top 1e will be expanded into top 1m. Top 1r will be expanded into 1rem. Emmet seamlessly integrates with JSX and works in the same way. For example, we have an app component and we need to render a div with button inside. Press tab and it will be expanded into div JSX element with button inside. It even partially supports CSS and styled components if you use it, although some features might be limited. Still, it's a valuable tool for faster and more efficient React development. As you see, Emmet is a game changer in web development. By mastering these essential shortcuts, you can write code faster, cleaner, with less effort. Remember to explore the official documentation of Emmet for even more advanced features. I will leave the link in the description. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Your support encourages me to create more valuable tutorials for you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.